How to buy Rizzmadan token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money or on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screen right now. It's created 22 hours ago and increased by 600% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mere investment in the safe place. Now, this token trending number 8 into Solana section right now. To be able to buy this token, it is that simple. Click here to copy the token address. As you can see, click your open your function wallet. For that, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here, as you can see, and paste your token address. As you can see, click on your token here. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap, and after that you will be able to read access to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip from here, as you can see, or customer, because most of issues came from the slip, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a Rizzmadan token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.